Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'm going to see I've got all this nice and clean because I know it's not going to get messy today because I'm not doing any stamping. I hear you say. Well, what it was, I've been stamping for 40 odd years. Oh dear, that shows my age, but there we are, never mind. And very dear friend of mine, she has become a dear friend of mine since she moved here. She's also a crafter, and she said, showed it my car. Oh, look at this one, proud as punch I was. Well, she said, yeah, that's lovely, but why didn't you try matte and layering it? I said, what? I thought, no, she's English, it's all right. She's moved here, and it's some, English term that I don't really know anything about. And then she showed me, and I thought, oh, that's what it's about. So, what it is, right, what I'm going to do with this one, these are the note cards, they come in pack of 20s. And I've stuck these on because I was doing a video when the postman came. So I've had to stop and start again. So that's 13 centimetres by round about 9 centimetres. So what I've done here, I've cut this. Instead of 9, I've gone down 1 centimetre to 8. So I've got 8 by 12, I think it should be. Yeah, 8 by 12. And then this one, which I'm not going to stick on, and I'll tell you why. That one's a 7 by, this should be 11-ish. Yeah, by 11. I'm not sticking this down because the number of times I've stuck that down, I thought, oh yeah, I'll do a little matte layering up, yeah, no problem. And then got to stamp and made a mess of it, so I thought, right, not going to do that again. So that's going down the centimetre, and then this one, I've gone down 0.5 centimetre, so where it's, I'm trying to put something on the end. Ah, there we go. So this was, first of all, it was 9, so I've gone down to 8.5 by, should be about 12.5. Well, it's a little bit less than 12.5. But you can cut it, cut it more or less to what size you want. And this, and again, is another 0.5 centimetre down. So as you can see here, quite a difference in two cards. Oh, stay, right. I'm trying to find something that's going to be heavy enough just to keep them like that, so I don't have to, yeah, that might do for now. Now, as usual, there are exceptions to the rule. I think it's called, or is it called, up to you, whichever you do. I don't know, but I'll show you it in any case, and you can make up your own mind. Now then here, I've put that, what looks like, could that be a centimetre? No, I've got about 0.5 centimetre in on that one, but because I wanted to show this paper, I just die cut. This is from one of the ornate layers dies. So I cut that, and it fitted that saying perfectly. So that was that. Now, here's another one using the same paper. Well, what I did was, I wanted to do a sympathy card with a big, with a space in the middle like that. So what I did was, I stamped all of these off onto another sheet of paper. Now, if I took that up like that, you can see they're very close in size. In fact, I'd probably cut this one down a bit. But there you can see, you put a little band on there. And again, using the ornate dies, I stuck that there. Now this one again is very similar. I'm not going to guess this, I'm going to see which it is. Right, that's 0.5 centimetre there, so it would be 1 inch. It'd be 1 centimetre I've done that at. So, but I thought I didn't know what to do, so I wanted to you know, include this round circle. And I thought, oh yeah, I've got a bit of round paper. So I cut that die out and put it onto there. And I think, no, it looks flat like that. So I got one of our lacy edged laces, ribbons, and put it on and did it like that. And I think it's lovely. And then the last one, now this is one that I've done 1/2 centimetre because that's probably 1/4 centimetre. This I did with this set is called Walking in the Woods, and there was a couple of leaves came with it. Well, I don't know whether you can see that. I don't know whether that will go blurred. I'm sorry, I can't see it either. But I stamped it. It was tone on tone to get that little background. But I wanted a little bit more of that showing. So what did I do with this one? Oh, I must have used, that's 1 centimetre there, so I must have used it as 2 centimetre. Or, yeah, 1/2 inch-ish there. Yeah, so that's quite a bit different, but again, it's down to you how you want the card to be. If you want to show a little bit of the back off, then cut this smaller, or, you know, you could just do what I've done here and just give it a little highlight onto the card. So I hope you understand all that gobbledygook. Can't even say gobbledygook, can I? So I'll say goodbye now, and I hope you liked that and it gave you some sort of idea of what I was talking. You could see if you couldn't understand me talking. And I shall see you again very soon. Thank you for putting up with me. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.